Hello, ladies and gents. This is Mark from Inside the Magic California. And did you guys know that Disney California Adventure has a secret room in it that does not show up on any park map? Well, neither did I. I needed to find this secret room for myself. Inside the Magic actually came out with an article about this recently. I will leave that in the description below. But ever since then, I just had to go see it for myself. Full disclosure, now this room really isn't exactly a secret, but it is fascinating because it doesn't actually show up on those park maps. And when you do eventually find it, you realize this place really is like tucked away inside the park. Disney usually does such a great job of having their rides, their meet and greets, their attractions on full display for all of the guests to see. But sometimes they like to sneak in those little hidden gems, don't they? Alright, so how do we find this place? First things first, go into Disney California Adventure. You're gonna walk down Buena Vista Street, and then you're gonna turn left onto Hollywood Boulevard, and then you're gonna find your way to the animation building. You're gonna walk into that building and you're gonna be immediately mesmerized by all of these giant flat screen TVs with all the drawings of the Disney characters all over the walls. It's so cool. Normally when people go in there, they go to the Animation Academy or the Crush's Turtle Talk because those are usually the main attractions of that building. You're gonna face the Animation Academy, right? You're gonna face the entrance, but you're gonna turn around and look behind you. Behind you says an entryway for something called the Sorcerer's Workshop. I'd like to say I spent a decent amount of time at the parks and I've never seen this before. Just sitting there, this entrance to the Sorcerer's Workshop, just sitting there. So you're gonna see the entrance is like this mysterious ramp that all of a sudden just leads you into the magic mirror realm. And it leads you into this like mystical and magical room with a bunch of animation all over the walls, and the room is supposed to teach you the tricks of the art of animation. It's like the thing where you put it on like that wheel thing, and then like you put a still image in it, and then like you rotate it and it spins around really fast, and then it becomes like a motion picture, like so basically it's this super cool room with a lot of gizmos and a lot of gadgets that have everything to do with Disney animation. And at the end of the room, you see the Snow White magic mirror. You know those things you never expect to see in life, but then when you do see it, it's everything you wanted in life? Yeah, that's how I felt about the magic mirror. Super cool. Okay, now onto the mystery room itself. If you look to the left of the magic mirror, you will see a directional compass. The compass says that it points to the Beast's library. Ooh. What is the Beast's library? Well, in the film, The Beauty and the Beast, the Beast has this grandiose library where the main character, Belle, spends her days reading. So the secret room is this chamber that's modeled after the Beast's library. This place is magnificent. It was beautiful. The walls are completely covered in books, and at the end of the chamber, you just see this very regal, very majestic picture of the prince, who then becomes the Beast. I think what was amazing about this room was you really did feel transported into the world of Beauty and the Beast, and isn't that what Disney's all about? Inside the chamber, they had these enchanted books where you could take a personality test and find out which Beauty and the Beast character you were. You know, kind of like one of those BuzzFeed article quiz things. Also, keep in mind that every 4 minutes, the room itself changes from this beautiful golden library to this dark and ominous vibe. I don't know, overall, I love this place. I think when you're combining it with the Sorcerer's Workshop and the Magic Mirror Realm, who doesn't like feeling like they've jumped into a Disney film? And that's really what this room is all about. However, in terms of this room being an actual secret, probably not. There were a lot of people in the room with me, so I didn't exactly feel like Indiana Jones finding some secret ruin or anything. But unless you're an annual pass holder or a frequent Disney goer, I can definitely see guests missing out on this very cool spot. I would absolutely consider this to be a hidden gem of Disney California Adventure. The Beast's Library. Have you seen it or have you heard of it? If you have, then what are your thoughts? If you haven't, are you interested in seeing it for yourself? Let us know in the comment section below. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for any and all things Inside the Magic. I'm Mark from Inside the Magic California. See you next time, guys.